It's me, Chica. I'm so happy to see you all again. And today, I'm going to react to another Telltale War video. Man, I've reacted to a lot of Telltale War videos recently, haven't I? And it's called Mangle has a Lolbit plushie. Ooh, you have a Lolbit plushie too, Mangle? I have one too. It's right here. See? Now, before I react to this video, I'm going to show you something else too. Now, what John found me at Walmart, or Walgreens, is this. A Felicity plushie from Rainbow Butterfly Unicorn Kitty. I mean, look at her. She looks so adorable. I want to hug her. Aww. Man, she's so cute. As cute as Unit Kitty as well. Anyways, let's get right onto it, shall we? Let's do it.
Chica.
Hi, Mangle.
Hi, Chica.
What's
How are
up?
you? Look what I got.
What? What'd you get?
This
Did
is
you get
a
Lolbit
returning
too?
face. It's Lolbit.
Ooh,
And look,
cool.
she looks just like me, but she's all purple and orange color.
Yeah.
And she has black eyes. Isn't that cool? She's
Yep.
so cute. Do you have her yet, Chica?
I do. It's right
Do
here.
you have
See?
her? Because if you don't, I found her, well, Anna found her at Walmart. There was two of them. Yeah, two of them. And Anna got one for me. Just to show you. Okay, I think that'll be all. I think that's the only thing I gotta show you. Anyway, bye, Chica.
Bye, Mangle.
Bye.
Hope to see you again soon. Okay, that was so cute. And fun, too. Hey, you know what, Mangle? I think we do need a little bit in our club. You know, a friendly club. And did you like that Felicity plush I showed you earlier? I'm sure you do. You can find her at a Walmart store if you want to. But John found her at Walgreens. Can you believe that? Anyway, cuties. Thank you for watching my reaction. This is Chica the Chicken saying subscribe to Telltale More, and I'll see you in my next reaction. Here come the kisses. Bye-bye. Love ya.